Hello, welcome to software testing and manual testing classes, audio classes and MP3 classes by Himanshu Satyapati from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Here in this video, we will learn bug tracking tool and test management tool by using SP Quality Center. How to bug tracking tool and test management tool, how to use it. Every software engineer to store working related documents with security by the help of management tools in server system. We can install some tools in the system like test management tools and bug tracking tools. What is the test management tools and bug tracking tools? Test management tools. Tester can manage entire testing process from starting to ending. By the help of test management tools, we can open the document, prepare the document, upload and download testing related documents by using test management tools. Test management tools names. Some of the test management tools names are SP Quality Center, Jira, TestLink, Silk Central, IBM Relational Quality Manager. Then bug tracking tool. We can track the defect in between developer and testing engineers by the help of bug tracking tool. Tools name SP Quality Center, Jira, Bugzilla, Redmine, IBM Rational Clear Exist, Lighthouse, Bug Host. Then SP Quality Center. We learn SP Quality Center. Among of all, SP Quality Center, Jira are both we use in test management tool and as a bug tracking tool. But here we prefer SP Quality Center. What is SP Quality Center? First we learn history of Quality Center. Quality Center was earlier known as Test Director, which was developed by Mercury team. In 2008, version was released, and the product renamed as a Mercury Quality Center. In between 2007 and 2008, Mercury take up by SP and rebranded all Mercury products as SP Quality Center. QTP load runner tools. So Mercury Quality Center we get as SP Quality Center in 2011 version. All related and Quality Center was renamed as SP ALM. Then version or history. First Test Director, then Quality Center, then Quality Center, then ALM. SP Quality Center or ALM features. It is a test management tool and bug tracking tool. It is used to store working related documents. It can support only Windows 2003 and 2004 server or Linux enhanced server. Before install Quality Center, create database by using SQL or Oracle database. It can configure with other tools like Wild Runner and QTP. Every software engineer like project manager, developers and testing engineers, business analysts can access into Quality Center with some limitations. Then SP Quality Center server. What is SP Quality Center server? Within the SP Quality Center server, one is admin module and is PA module. One is SA bin, another is QC bin. One is network admin for admin module, that is SA bin. He login by using SA bin. And all modules are QC bin. Under QC bin, project admin module, user module, and developer module, designer module are there. After installation, to open Quality Center, start menu, go to menu button, then all programs, open QC Explorer. Under Quality Center, in the address bar to log in as admin, enter http://localhost: 8080/sabin for admin login. To log in as a user, enter http://localhost:8080/qcbin for admin sabin, for user qcbin. Network admin responsibility in QC or Quality Center on ALM: creating user for current project, creating domain, creating product or project, selecting project admin for current project. Then project admin responsibility in quality control. In Quality Center, creating roles for users, permission for role, require testing current project, work assigned module wise. Then testing engineer responsibility. What is the testing engineer responsibility in Quality Center? Analyzing requirements under the management and requirement components, prepare test scenario and cases under test plan, prepare test batch and executing test cases under the test lab, prepare defect report under the defect component. Once Quality Center by developer, I enter QCbin URL, open Quality Center login page, enter username and password, then click on the authenticate, select domain and project name, then click on the login. Here is this overall about the Quality Center. Now learn Quality Center pages. What are the main modules? Quality Center page contains 8 components or modules. Quality Center contains 8 component or modules. What are the modules? Management, requirement, business component, test plan, test resources, test lab, defects, dashboard. First, analysis requirements. Again, what are the 8 components or 8 modules in Quality Center? Management, requirement, business component, test plan, test resources, test lab, defects and dashboard. Analyze requirements. Tester can understand the requirements by open management components and requirement components such as requirement testing types, responsible modules, etc. Then prepare scenario and test cases. By using QCbin, after login to Quality Center, go to test pane component. Under the test pane, go to test menu, new folder, enter the project name as a folder name. Click on OK. To create responsible modules, select the project folder, go to test menu, select new folder, enter responsible modules name. By following above navigation, we can create all responsible modules one by one. To create test scenario, select responsible module under the project, go to test menu, new test, enter test scenario name, click on OK. Then preparing test cases. Select first test scenario from the responsible module, go to design step tab and select new step icon, into enter description and expected results as per the requirements. And to prepare input data, go to insert parameter, new parameter, enter parameter name or test data name and write the values by using black box testing techniques and click on OK, such as boundary value analysis, decision table, equivalent class partitioning, etc. By following this navigation, we can create number of steps under one test case. Then prepare test batch and executing test cases. Prepare test batch and executing test cases. After prepare test cases, to execute and to prepare test batches, follow below steps. Go to test lab, select test sets, select new folder, enter project name as a folder name, click on OK. Select folder for project, go to test sets, select new test set, enter test batch name as a test set name, click on OK. After preparing test batches, go to execution grid tab, select test lab, and right side we can open test cases which is prepared under test plan component. Select test batch and select related test cases from test plan and assigning into test batches for current test batch. Executing test cases. Select one test batch, select first test case from the batch, then select go to run, verify own details, click on the begin run OK, and then next step. By following description, executing on build and get the actual result from the application. Writing quality center actual result and compare both. If both are equal, go to status, select pass, else fail. If step 1 is passed, then go to step 2. If all steps are passed, then go to next test cases. If all test cases are passed, then go to next test batch. After executing, click on end run, red color right side button to stop execution. Based on the steps result, our quality center can provide test case result. During execution, if any step fail, then go to defect component, prepare defect report. In defect reporting, during execution, if any step fail or mismatches in between requirements and test cases, go to defect component and defect menu, select new defect and enter defect details in below format. In below format means there is a summary button, summary text box, then details defected by, severity, defected in cycle, defected in version, priority, reproducible or not, subject, target release, description, defected on date, assigning to, defected in release, modified, project, status, target cycle, then submit, close and help button. Then here we learn Jira. Quality center is over. Then we learn Jira in short. It is a test management tool and bug tracking tool developed by all users. It can maintain entire agile Scrum process. After login to Jira page, select Scrum software development, click on the next verify workflow tab. In program done, click on select, enter project name, automatically key will be generated. Click on submit, select show epic panel, create epic, create user story, create task, create subtasks and bug. Click on create epic, enter epic name, enter summary, click on create. Under epic, select create issue. In epic, select user stories, click on create. By following above navigation, create storage and verify requirements and create task subtasks bug. After creating all issues, click on create sprint and user stories. Drag to current sprint. Start sprint, sprint name, duration, start date, end date. Sprint goal, click on start now. Follow work process as a todo in progress done. List of use stories come into to do. List of user stories working come into under in progress. List of user stories are completed comes into done. After completion of the all stories, click on stop, close, complete, sprint buttons. Then sprint report will be generated. We will do export from the test cases from Excel to Quality Center. First, we need to here exporting Excel sheet. Now, here we are exporting Excel sheet to Quality Center. How you are export to Quality Center from Excel to exporting test cases from Excel to Quality Center? First, we need to complete below steps. Download and install add-in for Excel in Quality Center. Prepare QC path in test case. For example, OrangeHRM/login or OrangeHRM admin, etc. or OrangeHRM employee. To export test cases, select test case from Excel sheet. Go to add-ins menu. Select export to Quality Center and enter QC bin URL on the pop-up window. Click on the next and enter username and password. Click on the next button. Select domain name and project name. Click on the next. Select tests. Next, select type a name. Map name. Map name means enter one name. Click on the next. Map Quality Center fields to corresponding Microsoft Excel fields. Click on the OK on finish. Mapping Quality Center, test case name, Excel test case name, B, step name or description name, C, description, E, expected details, H, subject, L. You have to write in the columns, B column, C column, E column, H column. In B column we write test name, in C cells we write step name, and E description, in H expected details, in subject L.